Is tax harvesting in mutual funds worth it? We have Mr. Satish Prabhu with us today to answer this most common question among mutual fund investors.
I would say no. The reason being that tax is like soap in your hand. Are you able to hold the soap in your hand when your hands are wet? You aren't. And why I'm saying so is that taxes change every budget. We cannot anticipate the way the tax regime will move. Did we anticipate that indexation will move out of debt funds? We did not, but it came as a change. Now we are all digesting that change and readjusting our portfolios and all of that. People invest saying that, people invested for 3 years saying that I will get indexation benefits. And all of us thought that that indexation benefit is permanent. But the government has told us that nothing is permanent. So I would request people that not to look at tax again. I specify, please look at your goals. The tax are incidental. What is the tax in 2030? None of us know. It could be high, it could be low, it could be something else that we have never thought of. What were the taxes in 2013 versus the taxes today is completely different. So I would say that taxes, let them be incidental. Don't save looking at tax. Save looking at your goal.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like, share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.